friends, welcome to Dab for Do. This video is a DIY bee's wing. I'll show you how to make a bee's wing, or for that matter any insect's wing, which can be used for kids' fancy dress or just for fun. The material needed are a thick gauge wire, stocking cloth, needle and thread, some tapes, cotton lace, elastic, markers, glue, pair of scissors and a plier. So let's get started. We need to take two circular frames to make the wing. I already have my wire in a circular wing, so I'm just cutting across, and we need to make two of so, and leaving around 3 to 4 inches of space. I'm just wrapping this wire to secure it in a circular shape. So this is how I've made the two frames. Just chop off any excess wire if it is poking out. So this is how we'll place them. Now hold the two wires together and stretch a bit. Now bend them together to give a wing shape to the circular thing on one side. This is how I've made. Little broader it is. Now I'm just securing the raw ends with the cotton and wrapping across a clear tape to secure it. I've done the same for the other wing as well. Now take the stocking cloth. You can even use any kid's stocks if you have available at home, or the floral stocking cloth which is easily available at the market, and close the open end with the help of needle and thread. Just give it a light stitch and secure it with couple of knots. Now gather it and just flip it over. Now take the wing, and at the apex on the top corner just slowly slip this stocking cloth carefully to the opposite end, and just collect it all the thing and hold it very tight and firm. Give a couple of knots with the help of needle and thread, and wrap it across very firmly with the rest of the thread, and give couple of knots to secure. Now take the elastic which we have to the length of the child or to whom we are making, and with the help of needle and thread make it into a loop. This is how we will place it so that it will stick on the shoulders of the child. So you can use any cotton thread or cotton lace. I'm using a thick lace over here which will give a neat finish as well. Just take one end of the lace and give a nice knot, and give few wraps around the center portion which we are holding as shown in the video. Now attach the loop of the elastic which we have made and neatly cover it up, the raw edges whichever are there of the wire, and give couple of knots in between with the lace which we are using, and cover all the center portion, and cut at the end and give couple of knots. I am using a little fabric glue to attach it at the end so that it won't chip off. Now I am using the sketch pens, or you can use any kind of markers to give the vain look of the bee's wings which we generally see. I am using little lighter shades, or I am not giving it very thick. If you wish, you can use any thick marker, or you can use any kind of 3D liners which are available to give it more brighter look. You can vary it with the color of the wings as well as per your requirement. So this is how our wings are finally after drawing the veins on it on the darker background. I hope you can see the veins clearly. So I hope you've liked the making of these wings. This is how I've made another couple of butterfly wings. I've used 3D liner and a flower in the center portion. So the wire which I've used is little thinner compared to these wings. I hope you've enjoyed the making of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel.